Hang the closer mounting plate onto the door. Place in the corner of the door and use self-tapping screws to attach the plate to the angle. Use a 1/4-inch drill bit to drill through the top of the hinge door frame to allow for the bolts to pass through. Mount the closer body to the plate using 4 slotted countersunk bolts. Position the closer arm according to the instructions provided with the closer. Adjust the length of the arm as needed. Mark the location of where the screw will go through. Attach the closer arm to the transom above using self-drilling screws. Connect the pivot point of the closer arm using the Phillips head screw. Connect the closer arm to the closer body using the Phillips head screw. Both these screws are provided in the box with the hinge door closer. Check operation of closer. Positioning of closer may change depending on hand of door. This video shows the attachment for a right-hand outswing door. Door closer plates can be attached to the door panel or the transom above depending on preferred location. See paper instructions for more details.